Hey, my amazing second grade authors. Today is the day you have all been waiting for. It is final draft day. So we are going to write it out nicely or type it out nicely and submit it. No, all super excited. Okay, so these are the two checklists. You want to make sure that everything fits this. You should have checked it yesterday. This is your very, very last attempt to go through. Make sure it has everything it needs. You are going to take your Foursquare, which is all beautiful and edited and corrected. It probably has a lot more correction marks. This one just is edited. And you're going to turn it in to paragraph form. You can write it in your nicest handwriting on a piece of paper and take a picture of it and upload the picture. Or if your camera on your Chromebook is clear, you can do a recording of you holding up the paper so that your teacher can read it. Make sure that the entire selection is there so that it's easy to read. Before you submit it, double check that video. If you are going to type it, make sure you type it nicely and in paragraph format. Now, for both writing and typing, you're going to want to make sure that you indent at the beginning of your paragraph. So if you're writing, usually you put your two fingers down right here and then start after your two fingers. If you are typing, there's a little tab button near the top on the left side of your keyboard. If you just hit that once, it will go in about 5 spaces. Make sure it is nice, easy, neat to read. Your teacher cannot give you a score if it is not in a paragraph form. So type it out, put all the sentences in order, read it out loud, make sure it makes sense, and then hit the magic submit button. I'm super duper excited, and I'll see you guys next time.